in the search for the sensation section. Direction that away towards intelligent infection. Addictive is the attitude if you can catch it. Don't run the hand with the soft shell, easier to hatch it. Creation of ideas, being individual, abstract and original.
We be the aboriginal.
We be the aboriginal.
We be the esoteric seeking individual. We be the new school comedic.
New school comedic.
We stimulate sleeping Afro-kinetic. We be the synergy of B. We be the transcendentalism from convention to infinity. We be the silence unborn. We be the fluid flowing on like Jim Thorne.
Hey, this is Lee with RVA Live Sound, getting ready for loading. So, we've got our subwoofers, they're already loaded up and ready to go. There are 418s inside, and we've already got our 15s ready to go. 4 of those right there. Gonna load those bad boys up. We got our monitors over here, ready to load those up. Our amplifiers, our EQs, and our compression, our mixing boards and stuff, direct injection boxes, tools, etc. Got everything ready to go. See you at the show. Alright, thanks for watching.
We're all Scott Barnett from Ashland, Virginia.
keep on getting loose, yeah. Getting down on the roof, yeah. Hey, folks are screaming, out of control. It was so entertaining when the boogie started to go. I heard somebody say, burn, baby, burn. It's gonna burn up, burn, baby, burn.
I think we should do like dance ready to worship. Yeah. We'll be like, yeah. Are you guys ready to worship me out? We're the opening, yeah. Act me out. We're gonna worship me out. The opening, number here? Yeah, numbers. Is that right, yeah? You're gonna talk to God, God, right now. And all see right now. And right now. All the kids in the room now. In the room right now. Right now, like right now, and for the rest of their lives. Sometimes people pray to be Father, you know what it is. What? Father, we just like the meow thing.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Say hi. This is Zach. We're gonna do this in a minute here. About to have sound check. Hey, Dad. All right.
So what's happening outside? Is it going to rain?
Yeah, it's gonna rain. I'm gonna go ahead and get on this. All right. I'll take that. I gotta sit right there. Thanks. All right. Let's do this. This is Lee with RVA Live Sound. Finished setup. Sound check will probably be right before we start, as usual.
only for you. And as your glory fills this place, I love your embrace. Only for you. And I love you.
fuck is child support so high? I don't know why, but we need to rearrange that shit. Why is child support so high? I don't know why, but we need to rearrange that shit. I had a job when we had the kid. When we had the kid, I lost the job. 581 for my son. Your Honor, Your Honor, Your Honor.